Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can go ahead and sign up for your Wink account, and it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Wink application. And finally, once you have done that, in order for you to go ahead and sign up, you can sign up with these things right over here, as you can see, which is going to be with your Apple account, with your Snap account, with your Google account, and with your phone. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with my phone. So you want to simply go ahead and choose the country you are living in. You can scroll like this, or you can simply go ahead and search up over here, as you can see, and then go ahead and enter your phone number and tap on next. And now simply go ahead and enter the verification code sent to your mobile device and click on next. And then you have to go ahead and choose your birthday. Just know you're supposed to be over 16 or 18, so one of those two. I'm not sure right now, but go ahead and choose your birth date, and then simply go ahead and enter your first name. I'm gonna name Tutorial and tap on next. And finally, simply choose the country you live in, or search for the country you are in and tap on next. And now it will ask you to add a profile pic. You can add it by taking a photo or from your camera roll. I'm gonna go ahead and take a photo. All right, there you go. And I'm gonna use this photo and just gonna click on done. And it will ask you for your Snap username. Go ahead and enter your Snap username. And finally, once you have done that, choose your gender and who do you want to meet, and then tap on next. And as you can see, here's your Wink account, and you just signed up for your Wink account. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.